Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Better days are ahead for the Niger Delta region. This follows a declaration by the board and management of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, to turn around the fortunes of the region at its just concluded retreat held at Ikotekpene in Akwa Ibom State last weekend. The retreat, with the theme Renewed Hope, a New Era for Vitality, Peace and Development, availed both the management and governing board of the intervention agency the opportunity to brainstorm and chart a course for a better Niger Delta region.
The 2024 Board and Management Retreat of the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) focused on mapping out realistic and achievable paths toward changing the narrative of both the NDDC as an intervention agency and the Niger Delta region for which it was instituted. In his welcome address, Chairman, Governing Board of the NDDC, Mr. Chiedu Ebie, said this year's retreat was a call to action for all stakeholders at the helm of affairs of the Commission.
We have adopted a leadership style that aims to instill confidence in our people, prioritizing their well-being through constructive collaboration and mutual respect. The objective of this retreat, which you will agree is very timely, is to further align the board and management of the Commission with Mr. President's Renewed Hope agenda.
Addressing participants at the retreat, the Minister for Niger Delta Development, Engineer Abubakar Momo, noted that it was a new beginning for the NDDC and advised the Commission's managers to take the time to reminisce on the achievements and possible setbacks of past administrations in order to do better.
With the new board in place, I am more confident that we shall strike the right accord in our collective efforts to deliver on the mandate of the Commission towards the development of the Niger Delta region.
Since its inception, the NDDC has accomplished several development projects in the oil-rich region. Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, says there is need for the intervention agency to accomplish even more. Dr. Ogbuku in his presentation stated that the NDDC is now considering sustainability in its development strategy and has decided to take more realistic approaches in tackling development needs of Niger Delta people.
In development, we have to ensure that we put the right frame for even our procurement process to ensure that any job that is given will also see the completion.
With the theme, Renewed Hope, a New Era for Vitality, Peace and Development, the retreat brought together past MDs and board chairman of the NDDC to have an interchange of ideas with the current management. Chief Onyema Ogochukwu, the pioneer chairman of the first NDDC board, and Chief Timi Alaibe, who served as the third managing director of the commission, in their goodwill messages, advocated continuity of the current board and management to enable them deliver tangible projects. They observed that terminating a board before the end of its term has been the cause for the inadequacies experienced in the past.
The disruption, I think, accounts for why we have so many uncompleted projects. So I would like to appeal to the minister to please let this board complete its tenure.
Section 14(2) of the law establishing the commission insists that there must be created a fund for the commission. That fund must not be intervened or confused with the normal government funds that are delivered to ministries and so on.
Participants said they have been well equipped to handle the task ahead of them.
And I believe it's such an invaluable contribution to what we are about to do.
It's the best of all possible decisions to go and synthesize all that has been said, especially against the backdrop of what the goals we have set to ourselves, that we are going to be responsive and responsible to the people of Niger Delta. It's no longer business as usual.
At the end of the 2-day retreat, an official signing ceremony of performance bond was performed under the supervision of the Minister for Niger Delta Development, Engineer Abubakar Momo.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,